Inventory management is essential for wholesale distributors, retail merchants, manufacturers, construction and service organizations, and other businesses. Automate inventory transactions, streamline inventory plans, and manage stock across warehouse locations with insights to increase turns and reduce carrying costs. Enhance operational efficiency by allowing inventory settings to be customized for specific business requirements, such as availability calculation rules. Use item classes to default settings when new items are created. For example, define valuation methods, tax categories, inventory planning details, and more. Optimize warehouse and stock locations by row, shelf, or bin for improved picking and put away with carts and totes for warehouse activities. Create non-stock items for office or maintenance supplies, miscellaneous fees, or labor for build services, including on projects or on sales, production, or service orders. Improve business processes and accuracy with advanced features, such as product workgroups, product managers, country of origin tracking, and item classification using ABC codes and movement classes. Improve competitive positioning with price classes that include minimum and default markup percentages and default prices. Side panels provide easy access for viewing sales prices, including promotions and customer-specific pricing. Set up vendors for each item with purchase units of measure, lead times, order frequency, and minimum quantities or lot sizes. Acumatica supports different units of measure for stock, sales, and purchasing with flexible unit of measure conversions. Define packaging details, including weight, dimensions, and boxes for shipping and freight calculations. Boost sales with item substitutions, upsell recommendations, and AI-powered cross-sell suggestions. Use cross-references for customer or vendor items to simplify data entry. View the bill of material and manufacturing settings for finished goods. Automate financial reporting and analysis with default GL accounts organized by posting class. Acumatica supports standard, average, FIFO, and specific or actual inventory valuation methods. Upload images, define sales categories, add attributes, and create long-form product descriptions to harmonize item details across sales platforms. Define and build kits to stock or for specific orders. Create hundreds or thousands of stock items based on attributes such as size, style, and color. Matrix items are useful for product families containing items with variants, such as fasteners, home goods, fashion and apparel, and more. Control which combinations of attributes are available with item masking and custom product descriptions, and use matrix items to enter sales or purchase orders quickly. Improve product quality with lot and serial tracking. You can even issue lots based on the expiration date. Capture and track unique product characteristics at the lot or serial level, such as condition, durability, or batch number directly at receipt. Search and filter by these attributes during sales or purchasing to find the right item fast. Create inventory transactions to receive, issue, and transfer stock by location, and create inventory adjustments or process kit assemblies. The mobile WMS application automates transactions with barcode scanning. Maintain stock accuracy and streamline physical inventory activities by leveraging count sheets and flexible options for ongoing activities by type with online physical inventory reviews. Acumatica supports replenishment plans. Calculate replenishment parameters such as safety stock, reorder points, and max quantities and view details for demand forecasts across warehouse locations. Review and convert order recommendations into purchase orders, drop shipments, kit assemblies, warehouse transfers, or production orders to fulfill demand. Drive demand plans using forecasts, time-phased recommendations for purchase orders, transfer orders, and kit assembly activities. Exception messages help planners understand what actions to take, such as moving in dates or canceling orders when demand changes. Role-based dashboards arm employees with information to manage inventory effectively. Monitor inventory transactions, take action on late orders, and analyze sales for deeper insights to identify areas for growth. Tailor generic inquiries and reports without programming for insights into inventory turns, valuation, dead stock, and more. AI is embedded to automate tasks such as generating rich item descriptions. With Acumatica's AI Studio, you can leverage AI for other inventory activities, such as repricing items based on average or last costs. Connect to hundreds of supply chain applications for demand forecasting and planning, label printing, advanced warehouse management, shipping and carrier systems, quality management, retail apps and storefronts, and electronic data interchange.
It was all seamless, really. We were able to sell beer to the home consumer and to pubs who were still able to offer a takeout. It was 1,500% increase a month.
The integration for online ordering helped us push forward. It takes away the burden of paperwork. Everything that feeds in through Acumatica is in their hand going into a meeting.
Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.